Howdy, folks. I'm Sheriff Aloysius for UltimateBelts.com. We're sponsoring this thing tonight, and we want you to sit back and enjoy yourself. And remember, whether you're in the office or out on the town, out on the range or out in space, cheap belts are like cheap promises. They'll always let you down. UltimateBelts.com, as tough as rawhide and as reliable as the sunrise. Now on with the show.
Hey guys, Kip Shelton with AC0 Border Space RPG. This goes out to Roberto Nieves, who asked us how we created the Sathar intercepted message. So we're going to show you exactly how we did it and the software involved. So here we go. First, we need to write our script. This could be done in any old word processor, but we chose to write it directly into ElevenLabs speech synthesis system. As you may have seen from their ads, they're used for video games, television commercials, voiceovers, etc. We use them when our regular voice talent is unavailable. So we write our script, select a voice.
Les requins prennent leurs précautions avant la...
We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your
And play it through.
Into the
And if we like it,
is like a
we
disease
download it.
that is-
Here's also a sneak peek at a Drala site we'll be using for
My
Escalapian
apologies
ethics.
if we had a meeting today. I am currently unavailable. Tomorrow's not looking very promising either. As a matter of fact, the rest of this week is pretty much a wash. And as for the month, well, that is right out. Your best bet would be to go back to the front and leave a message, and I will return it when I'm damn good and ready. I have science to do here, and even leaving this message has cost me precious seconds that I can't get back. So, piss off. I'm busy.
Well, looks like he told us. Okay, now we have our voice, but it's a little rough. So we haul it into Adobe Audition. We add some music and alter the voice to give it a little breathing room.
We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your expansion into the galaxy. We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your expansion into the galaxy is like a disease. We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your expansion into the galaxy is like a...
This will give us a much darker quality, something I think the Sather would appreciate.
The Sathar are ready for their return. We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your expansion into the galaxy is like a disease that has been unchecked long enough.
Once we're done there, we save it out. Now we move into Adobe After Effects. After Effects is a motion graphics program that's been around since, well, Moby Dick was a minnow. I've personally been using it since the first version. Don't calculate it, I'm old. This program allows us to add multiple effects to a still image or video. We can generate unique elements as well as layer video and adjust each piece and how it's interpreted by the computer. All of these elements combined allow us to create a final master video.
We've hidden in the darkness long enough. Your expansion into We've hidden in the darkness long enough.
And that, Roberto, is how we do it. If you guys have any questions on how we do anything here at AC0 or Border Space RPG, let me know and we'll try and do a video for it. Thanks, and you guys have a great day, and we appreciate all of you.